Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about the pass statement or pass keyword in Python. So in Python, the pass keyword is used to execute nothing. It means when we don't want to execute the code, the pass can be used to execute the empty. So function definitions cannot be empty. As we have seen, we can have the definition of function, then we can call the function, but we were having some logic inside the function. So function definitions cannot be empty. But if you for some reason have a function definition with no content, means we just have the function declaration but we don't have any content in that function, so put in the pass statement to avoid getting an error. So this is the syntax. Here we have defined one function, this is the name of function, and here there is no content inside the function. So for not getting the error, you can make use of this pass keyword. So let's check in code how we can use the pass statement. So let's say I have one function here, def my fun, and it doesn't take any parameters, and let's say I don't have any logic inside this function and I'm calling this function here my fun, and if I try to run this code, I'm getting here error, indentation error, expected an indented block here, as there is nothing here, so that's why we are getting here error. But let's say I don't call this function also, just I have one declaration here. So what error we are getting in this case? So here we are getting a syntax error, unexpected while passing. So to avoid this error, what I can do, I need to just make use of this pass keyword, pass, and now if I try to run this code, it will get executed successfully. We will not get any error. Process finished with exit code 0. It means the code is valid syntactically and also we are not getting any error. So I can also call this function my fun, and if I see now, this code is executing successfully. So what was the use of this pass? So it is used when you don't want to do anything with your function, but let's say there are large project and where there is one function and you want to execute that function after some time. So currently you just want to pass this value, like you don't want to execute anything, so in that case you can make use of this pass keyword. The difference between the comments and pass is that comments are directly ignored by Python interpreter. Like we have seen in comment section, we make use of hash symbol to comment out the code. So that is the difference between comment and pass. The pass statements are not ignored by the interpreter, they are executed but they just do nothing. So that was the use of pass keyword. That's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.